So I'm making a quick video install. You've got only a couple pieces, 1 piece, 2 piece, hooks in this, couple through bolts, second one, and the 4th one. Sorry, my daughter is going crazy. What I want to do is basically just put this on. Most tubes it should fit, but this is a universal mount. Put this in. I'm just gonna mark this with this drill bit just for purposes because I don't have the template for you yet. So you can see the marks that it's make. So I'll take the right drill bit. That should fit perfect. And then this goes on. You can kind of check it like this. Lines up perfect, lines up perfect. Good. So then now this is gonna screw on here, and you're gonna have this long thumb bolt is actually gonna go through and attach onto the other end of this. So right now it's attached. This one is for the front, which just attaches to the hook. And then you have a short one in the front and a longer one actually I messed that up. You have the longer one in the front because this is going to be attached also to the hook as a through bolt. So that goes in there. This one is right here. Oh, it wasn't lined up all the way. Okay. So now that screws in to itself, just like that. I can feel it biting on the other side here. And it's in. Okay, so that is now attached. This is just a universal band. What you want to do is take off this rubber part, put the band through this hole like this. This goes back on here. I have to pull it over tight. And now it's attached. And you can cut this band to however it's needed, but this is not going anywhere. This will screw in right here. Take this out. Oh, you gotta screw this one down all the way. feel it till it seats out. And this. Now you're good to go.